iPhone trust this computer not showing. Fix. Step 1, unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. The trust message won't appear if the phone is locked. Step 2, change cable or USB port. Use an original Apple USB cable if possible. Plug directly into a different USB port to avoid USB hubs. Step 3, reconnect the iPhone. Unplug your iPhone, close iTunes or Finder completely. Plug the iPhone back in and wait for the pop up. Step 4, reset location and privacy, which is the best fix. On your iPhone, Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset. Tap Reset Location and Privacy and then enter your passcode. After, reconnect your iPhone to the computer. Step 5, restart and update. Restart both your iPhone and computer. Then update iTunes for Windows users. Now reconnect and tap Trust when prompted.